I'm Bryce Yonker with GridFWD. Our main gathering is coming up this fall, and the focus is on affordability. Right now, it's almost the perfect storm on the electric grid. We have increased demand, we have tight supply chains, we have increasing costs from so many areas. At the end of the day, nobody wants to pay more for their electric rates, and it's important that as we modernize the system, we maintain that focus on affordability. At most industry gatherings, you have sessions and discussion topics, but beyond those, we're going to introduce workshops this year. We're going to do the Grid Innovation Pitch Competition again in our Innovation Pavilion, but you also can go on a walk in the mountains and meet your next commercial partner. This year we're partnering with Torus. Guests will get a tour of their expanding facilities and a first-hand look at the energy storage systems they're building for the distribution side of the grid. We're looking forward to bringing people together. Come on out to Utah and spend some time with us there.